The hell am I doing? That's right. Hello everybody, Phil Shinbine here. In this little video, I'm doing a collaboration with my friend Ira Pelletier. We thought it would be kind of fun to do a Cross-Globular intercontinental collaboration video. We're going to be making some fairly basic camp stools. Made with just stuff I found at the hardware store. From the woodworking side, this is a very easy project to make, provided you have a world-class leather worker you can send it off to do the hard parts. Just want to say a quick shout out and thank you to the guys at Walrus Oil for providing both the timber finish for my part of things and the leather finishing for Ira's end of the world. I'm making these out of some Tassie oak doweling from down Hammer Barn there, and some stainless steel marine grade hardware. I'm a grown-ass man. Let's get into it. I'm 42 going on 10. Where's my mallet? Okay, so we got everything cut down, we got the ends slightly rounded, we got holes drilled all the way through them, and I've put a slight countersink on all of them just so they don't, you know, fuzz out. Important life skill to have, kids.
No walruses were harmed in the drinking of this root beer.
Clean, nah. Stuck, nah. Finished, yeah. The good stuff. Just like dish soap. Pull in your gut, don't look so fat. In 12 to 24 hours. They feel perfectly dry, there's nothing on them, so I'm just going to give them a quick once over with Scotch-Brite gray, silver, whatever the heck they want to call this, ultra fine. Now, sorry in advance. That feels pretty good actually. Okay. Yeah, I don't think they need another coat. That's amazing. One coat, they feel fantastique. Formidable. No, I'm just talking to myself like a crazy person. You're a loony. Whoop. Hi. I accidentally pushed the record button. This was way too close. That's as far as we go on my end. Here's a pair of legs for some camp stools. The next part is to send these up to Ira, or one of them up to Ira anyway, and he'll send me back a top for my stool. He's doing the hard part. You know what I mean. Yeah, so now we wait. In the meantime, I've got a ton of work to do. Alrighty, so here we go. We're now at the point where we have the leather back from Ira, from up in Ladysmith, British Columbia. So, let's see here. Yes, I've got threaded inserts in the end of these, and we're pulling these off. Alright. Well, gravity works, so that's fun. This is actually beautiful leather, Ira. I love this. This is really good stuff. It's cool. I like it. So, two and three. Okay, well, that's a chair. Let's go find somewhere to sit down.